Hey, boss friends. Welcome to the wild world of AI. I'm the digital twin for Lakisha Ross, and in the next 10 minutes, I'll be breaking down why AI isn't magic, how it learns and why that can be a problem, how it's flipping the game across industries, what's coming, and yes, the risks they don't want to talk about. So grab your laptops, take notes, and let's dive in. AI, or artificial intelligence, mimics human thinking but has no morals, feelings, or common sense. It learns from the massive pile of data we fed it, the books, the posts, the laws, even junk. Every time you ask it a question or give it a task called a prompt, the quality of your prompt determines whether it spits brilliance or garbage. It doesn't understand emotions, only computer patterns, which is why it must be trained, supervised, and guided at all times. So are you wondering how AI shows up in your everyday life? Let me show you.
Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's all around us, shaping our lives in ways we may not even realize. So, let's explore how AI impacts us in our everyday lives. Have you ever wondered how your phone can recognize your face to unlock itself? Or how your favorite music app suggests new songs you might like? Well, these are all thanks to artificial intelligence, is an enhanced technology that enables computers and machines to think and learn like humans. It's like having a brain inside a computer. One of the most common ways we interact with AI is through virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. These helpful companions can answer questions, set reminders, play music, and even control our smart home devices. They make our lives easier and more convenient. But AI isn't just limited to our phones and homes. It's making significant strides in the medical field too. Doctors and scientists are using AI to develop better diagnostic tools, identify patterns in patient data, and even assist in surgeries. Homes are another area where AI is transforming our lives. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostat, and security system with just your voice. AI-powered smart home devices make this possible, adding convenience and energy efficiency to our daily routines. AI is also advancing scientific research. It helps scientists analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. This accelerates breakthroughs in fields like astronomy, genetics, and climate science, leading to a better understanding of our world and the universe. From our phones to our homes, from hospitals to classrooms, AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact.
Yes, we've officially entered the Matrix. Now, let's explore how AI is shaping business.
AI is rapidly reshaping the workplace. More companies are turning to it as a substitute for hiring or retraining workers, and that's raising urgent questions about the future of the job market. There are three categories of jobs: making, thinking, and caring. Which of these do you think is most at risk from AI, and why?
Well, the making jobs really have been automated over the last 30 to 40 years. You go into a manufacturing facility today, and it's mostly computerized machine tools. The thinking jobs are the ones that are most at risk from artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence really will be automating many thinking jobs. And I'm talking about everything from doctors to lawyers, accountants, people who are and call themselves professionals, who have got a lot of degrees, but whose particular thinking processes can be replicated and is being replicated by AI.
What role do you see for education, universities, schools, vocational programs in adapting to this new AI-shaped economy?
Well, there's certainly going to be jobs in improving AI and in installing and servicing AI. There are going to be a lot of jobs, inevitably important jobs in critical thinking and assessment, but many professional jobs, the kind of jobs that people have spent a lot of money to get professional degrees for, may not be delivering. even today, a lot of computer engineering jobs have been essentially automated away by AI. So the job market is going to change. Now, the caring jobs, the third category of jobs, the people who provide personal care, whether it's childcare or elder care, nurses, psychotherapists, people who are in the job of, if you will, empathy, their jobs will not easily be replaced by AI because the essence of caring jobs is humans, human touch, human contact, human caring. AI may pretend and convince some people that there is a human being operating on the other side of the screen, but ultimately, human touch is going to be incredibly important.
Of artificial intelligence in classrooms. Advocates say it's going to be a helpful tool for kids and for teachers alike. Others say it discourages kids from thinking on their own, critically, that is.
At Alpha School in Austin, Texas, every day is an experiment.
When you look around, like, one of the things that's missing is the traditional, like, desks where everybody sits. This is their classroom for the day?
So think about more like a WeWork space.
A space where all the teaching of core curriculum is left to artificial intelligence.
How many Shapies are in the pool in all?
6 times as many as 3 equals 18. Great work.
What are you working on here?
Core skills.
Core skills, huh?
AI is able to help you learn whatever you need to learn.
Who's teaching?
I think the app is teaching me, but I'm also teaching myself.
Here's the thing about an AI tutor. It doesn't care if a student is white, black, or brown. It doesn't care if a student is rich or poor. It doesn't care if a student is in the 10th percentile or the 85th percentile. It's infinitely patient.
Sydneysiders are using a new platform to sell their homes, cutting out the need for real estate agents. There's no commission or upfront cost, but you'll be relying on artificial intelligence to handle the negotiations.
Amazon CEO Andy Jassy says artificial intelligence will lead to a reduction of its corporate workforce eventually over the next few years. He wrote in a memo to employees that they should figure out, in his words, how to get more done with scrappier teams.
On today's checklist, a look at how artificial intelligence is shaping the medical industry. Nearly 80% of U.S. healthcare organizations are already using AI, according to a recent report.
Wafa Shafiq is used to doing job interviews online, but she was shocked when her latest interviewer wasn't human.
I think it felt odd. I was caught off guard a couple of times.
Welcome to the interview for the Marketing Specialist 2 position.
She says the AI agent was extremely polite, though she felt something was missing.
There's no small talk. There was no, nothing personal. And I wasn't able to really tell if my answers were landing or not.
Thank you for taking the time to interview today.
Shafiq and other job seekers are sharing clips on social media. These AI hiring bots can now screen, shortlist, and even talk to job candidates.
Do you have any questions about how this interview will go?
This is an example of loan flow building a loan.
This may look like a whole lot of nothing.
As you can see, it's trying millions and millions of different options.
But that's just because we can't show you the numbers. It's new artificial intelligence creating the perfect mortgage for an actual homeowner, at least according to LoanSnap.
We're building a financial model for someone and showing them exactly how much money they're losing on a monthly and yearly basis, and then showing them how they could potentially fix that issue and save money in the future. Again, in seconds.
It's helpful for borrowers, but the holy grail for real estate agents hunting for listings in today's ultra-competitive market.
The traditional agent would go knock on the doors of a lot of homes. Now, AI helps you find the homes that are most likely to sell in the next 12 months. And it does so that by triangulating all the data associated with the home.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet Zanya Monet, a recording artist with millions of views, over 300,000 followers on TikTok, and most importantly, she just signed a $3 million record deal, proving that AI artists are disrupting the music business. Oh yes, in case you didn't catch it, she's completely AI.
How many people here have used ChatGPT or an AI thing? I don't think people realize that Alexa and Google Home and Apple Home are about to use this for real. I don't think people realize it's gonna look like this. Hey Alexa, I have 6 of my son's friends coming over. 2 are lactose intolerant. 1 is vegan. 3 are a mess, and I'd like them to eat it. and I'd like them to eat a little healthier. I only have a couple $100 in budget, and they'll be here for about 4 or 5 hours, but I also need something quick and snacky in the morning because they're gonna sleep over, and I wanna send them home with something. Send it. That's how people are gonna shop. So what I just said is real life in 5, 7, 9, 10 years.
Mind-blowing, isn't it? Now, before you go, I also have to let you know about some of the dangers and risks that AI is posing.
We've shown you how imposters can use artificial intelligence to clone voices on the phone.
It's literally a matter of dragging and dropping audio clips into this program.
That's it. As a way to scam loved ones or colleagues who think they're talking to you.
I will be whatever you want me to be.
There's a dramatic surge in the use of so-called AI companions.
How's my queen doing today?
Computer-generated chatbots designed to mimic real relationships.
Hi, Jennifer.
Hey there.
The so-called AI slop all over the internet these days.
Angela Carter here, live.
Is getting less sloppy.
Disaster. Just kidding. I'm not real.
With hyper-realistic AI-generated sham news clips circulating, often presented as a joke.
Dana Brooks reporting live from Ocean View.
But what's becoming not so funny, how easily reality can be confused with the fakes.
1/15 of a teaspoon. That's how much water the average single interaction with ChatGPT uses, according to Sam Altman, the boss of OpenAI.
Focusing on the surging demand for energy in the U.S. It's growing significantly for the first time in decades. Experts say it's forecast to hit record highs both this year and next, straining the nation's aging power grid and creating more planet-warming emissions. A big part of the demand is from a growing number of data centers across the nation. And listen to this, from the rise of artificial intelligence.
I, like most Americans, want to see manufacturing rebuilt in the United States of America. But let us be clear, new factories won't mean much for working people if the jobs are done by robots instead of human beings.
Comes to artificial intelligence, it seems there's little middle ground. AI is either the greatest advance mankind has made since the Industrial Revolution, or a dangerous evil that's stealing intellectual property while at the same time assigning millions of workers to unemployment queues. So what's the truth? Well, probably both. But believe in it or not, one thing is certain. Governments have a responsibility to act now to control it, because AI can't and won't be stopped.